What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. As you can see here, I have me an Airpods Pro Gen 2. So today we're gonna put this against my Gen 1 and compare it a little bit, see how good the audio quality is. That's one major thing that I'm interested in. So let's get right into it. Oh, I love the Apple eco-friendly unboxing experience. The usual instruction booklet with stickers inside. Then we got ourselves the AirPods here. There's actually a speaker on here. Very nice. Ear tips. I heard they have some new ear tips. Extra small ear tips right there. And the usual Lightning to USB-C, which don't know how I feel about that. They didn't go all the way with USB-C this time. So, I want to pick these two up right now. Can you tell the difference between Generation 1 and Generation 2? Probably not. Because here, I couldn't tell the difference. I mean, right in front of my face. Other than the scuff that it's on here because I've been using this for like a year. Yeah, no difference. Look at this, the back, all the same. The sides obviously has a lanyard now, which I'm not sure about that, but you know, that's fine. The one I am excited about though is this little speaker down here. Yep, now if I lose my case, I can actually find it and it'll beep for me. We did have a situation where I lost my case and we couldn't find it because, well, it didn't have any kind of tracking technology in it at all, and no speakers. This one right here has the new U1 chip that will track like an AirTag, and has speakers. Very nice. Obviously, everything else is the same. Lightning button on the back for you to sync. Looks almost identical. If you look right here though, they did update it. You can definitely tell. See that? I believe those are multiple sensors and things like that for you to. It has to do. I believe these has to do with noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is supposed to be better. Obviously, you are read all about that. But yeah, still has the push buttons. I call it push buttons because it is like a haptic type of feedback here, which is what I love about these AirPods. Have not found any other headset that that mimics that actually. Very nice. So the one question that I do have is, does the old ear tips work with the new ones? So let's take a look. That's the new one. And this is the old one. So here's my old one. I don't know if you ever want to do this, but just in case. There you go. It does fit very well. And the new ear tips, which by the way is actually different. It feels different for sure. So there you have it. New ear tips, Generation 1. For Generation 2 with the old ear tips, I mean, it's on there. It's the exact match. You can hear it, right? It's a bit stronger. Generation 1, 58 grams. Generation 2, 62 grams. Definitely different. 62 gram. Yeah. So generation 2 is heavier, slightly. You're not gonna notice a difference though if you're carrying this around. The spatial audio with head tracking, that thing is a lot stronger than my generation 1. I can definitely tell. This noise cancellation that just turned on, I wish I can let you guys hear it. I can't hear it at all. Yeah, this fan is humming right here, transparency mode, and I can definitely hear that right there. Yeah, that humming noise, that's for sure gone. That's like completely gone with noise cancellation. And then I also have my PC back here. That's the fan is pretty loud on that. Even though you can't hear it in this mic that I have here, I can hear it in transparency mode here. So I'm going to turn off noise cancellation and try to listen to it. Completely silent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to my Gen 1 real quick just to do a comparison. Okay, so right now it's on transparency mode with Gen 1, and yeah, I can hear the fan that's right above here. But I have to say though, the transparency mode on Gen 2, it's a bit better. It lets in a bit more sound. I feel like it's louder. I don't know how to explain it, but on Gen 2, it's a bit louder. This one, I still feel like something is plugged in my ear and plugging the sound from coming in. Okay, so now noise cancellation. The noise cancellation on this is still very good. I don't hear it. The PC back there, I don't hear it. Yeah, the PC back there, I don't hear it at all. So I feel like in terms of sound quality, you're not getting an upgrade by spending more money. Noise cancellation is a bit better, and also transparency mode is a bit better. Yeah, you actually don't think that transparency mode would be a big deal, but it is to noise canceling headphones. Transparency mode, how much it lets in so that you can actually feel like you don't have your headphones on is a very important thing. And so to me, transparency mode on the Gen 2 is much better. Much better. It lets in a lot more sound. I can actually hear it more naturally. So to me, that would be the difference right there. In terms of music though, it sounds the same to me. Spatial audio, head tracking, that one right there is, to me, is equal. And that's just my ears. Maybe someone else will hear it differently. But for me right now, that's just the same. Noise cancellation, they're kind of both in par. You're not missing out by getting Gen 1 versus Gen 2. If you could get either one of these, I would just get the Gen 1, because to me, the audio quality is the same. Now, if you're one of those that are always on the go, travel a lot, and you tend to lose your stuff, this right here has pretty much a built-in AirTag to it, where you can track it exactly where it is. And it now has speakers so that you can actually beep it to find where it is. My kids will actually be appreciating this feature quite a bit, in my opinion. So I would say spend a little bit more money for the extra AirTag that goes along with your AirPods. Other than that, you can buy an AirTag and slap it on here, I guess, but now it's all in one. But yeah, that's kind of my opinion on that one right there. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.